welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have got an unboxing and it is Look Fantastic. I have not had Look Fantastic for a while. It's been like, I don't know, 8 or 9 months I haven't had it for. However, for my birthday, which is in a couple of weeks, Mum said she would buy me, she offered and said, do you want a subscription box? And I said, yes please. So I ordered a 6-month Look Fantastic subscription. However, I know it is the end of October. I messaged Look Fantastic on Instagram and said, if I order today, will I get November's box as my first box? And they said yes. So I ordered it, and then I got an email saying your October box is on the way, and I was like, thanks. Yeah, so you've probably already all seen what is in this box, and I'm sorry for that, but that is not my fault. That is Look Fantastic not paying attention to what they tell people they're going to do. So for those of you that don't know, Look Fantastic is a beauty box. It is a monthly one. It's £15 a month, and you can get it slightly cheaper. Like I got it cheaper because I did a 6-month subscription, so it was £13.75 a month, and it is plus postage as well each month, which I think is around about £3, so it's quite a pricey box. It's obviously not up there with like Cohorted or anything, but it is more expensive than Glossy, more expensive than Birchbox, more expensive than Pink Parcel, but I used to really like it, I think, so I thought it would be a nice one to have for my birthday. So this is the box. This is October's box. Every month you get a quote in here that says Mangata, oh no, Moangata, is how you pronounce it, the reflection of moonlight on water. That's what that says. And then every month you get a copy of Elle magazine, which is really nice. I always like this about the box because these are, I think to buy, these are like, yeah, £4.40. So if you take that off the cost of the box, it then does bring it down to like the cost of Glossy Box and Birchbox. However, if you don't like Elle magazine, then you aren't going to read this. But I really like reading Elle magazine, so I'm happy with that. And then you get your little book that tells you what's inside it. I haven't seen any spoilers for this, even though it is, I'm very much aware that it is the end of the month. But I have not seen them. So this is how it comes. I think I've seen like a few like Instagram pictures, but I haven't really paid attention to what was in them, if I'm honest. So this is what is in the box. I think it's 6 items. Is it 6 or 5? I think it's 6. Let me look. Yeah, 6 products. And I am being quite careful because on the website you can just scroll down and it tells you exactly what's in there. So I'm just stopping at a certain point where it says any more than 6. It says this box is the Hidden Gems edition. And it says, October, as we start to suffer the post-summer blues, this month's box is about embracing positive energy and self-care beauty. Get ready to pamper yourselves with 6 amazing products that will not only leave you shining on the outside, but pampered on the inside too. In this magazine, we'll be exploring the powers of crystals, hidden gems around the world, and a guide to sparkling makeup and exclusive Q&A with celebrity makeup artist Bryony Blake. And then it's just like a little magazine that you get, and there's like, it will tell you all about the different things that's in it, but then it also has other features as well, which is nice. I am just going to grab the first one, which is a Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox. I love me a bubble mask. This is a sheet mask. I think it's a sheet mask. Yeah, it's a sheet mask. And it is a bubble one as well. Let me just find it in the book so I can tell you how much it costs. Do they tell you that? They don't tell you that. No, it's not telling me. I'll put it on the screen how much it costs. Transform your skin with this Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox, an innovative foaming charcoal mask that contains thousands of nourishing micro bubbles. And it says we recommend doing a face mask 2 to 3 times a week and always moisturise afterwards. So that will definitely, I do love me a bubble mask. My brain doesn't want to work today. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 things in here. I'm confused. So next up I've got a Vita Masks, and it is a jade sheet mask, which isn't in the book. So that might be, that's just a little freebie, I think. That's nice. Jade sheet mask, balance mind and soothe skin, made with jade stone powder, spirulina and pine. but that isn't in the book, so I think that might just be a little freebie, which is nice. I love Vitamask stuff. I got sent like a little box of Vitamask stuff, and they're just lovely. Alright, what's next? Let's do this one. This is a ahava active Dead Sea Minerals, Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. And it says water on it. Let's see what it says about this. Oh, I've got Demi Lovato Solo stuck in my head, and I'm just like, oh, I just can't stop singing it. I'm annoying the crap out of myself. Okay, this incredible body lotion uses the power of Dead Sea water, rich in skin-friendly minerals such as magnesium, calcium and potassium. Increase skin's moisture levels, providing all-day comfort. Let the formula nourish your dry, itchy skin and provide refreshing hydration in a fast-absorbing formula. Perfect to use when the weather is getting a little colder and your skin starts to be dry and flaky in the winter. So that's nice. Next up, I've got a Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. This is for dry skin, luscious lips and glossy bits. I've had this before. This is a little tiny tube, but it's really good for chapped lips. It's really thick. And if I remember rightly, when I was breastfeeding Aria, I put it on my boobs as well. A little overshare for you there. You're welcome. Elderflower Lip Tint or the Original Nipple Balm. So I got the nipple balm. Squeeze out the product onto your fingertips and then put it wherever you need it. Apply a small amount of the product to a small lip brush and use to neaten and sharpen the edges of your eyebrows. Oh, that's a good one. I hadn't thought of that. But the other one was a tint, which looks nice. But I do really like this stuff. Next up, we've got something from Moniskin. I really like, one of my favourite moisturisers ever is from Moniskin. The Recovery Balm is just amazing. This is a Line Smoothing Night Renewal Complex. It's quite a good sized sample. This is, how big are you? 30 ml. So it's a nice sample. Refresh and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. The lavish treatment ensures that you wake up brighter with an improved natural elasticity on your skin. After cleansing and toning, pop it on your face and your neck. As you sleep, the skin's ability to absorb active ingredients peaks and your skin cells regeneration powers is higher, so always use night treatments. There we go. I'll definitely give that a go. Anything to get rid of all the crinkly bits. Next up, I've got a Pry. Is it Pry? P-R Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream. Woohoo! P-R-A-I, Pry. I'd say that as. It's really pretty packaging. Did you know your neck ages faster than your face? This #1 selling cream by Pry is going to be an absolute lifesaver. The weightless, fast-absorbing formula improves crepey skin, double chins, droopy jowls and turkey necks. Visible results in 7 days. Mulberry Saxifrage. God, I'm just butchering these words. Grapeseed extracts combine to brighten and diminish age spots, while shea butter hydrates. Apply in gentle upward strokes from cleavage to chin, AM and PM. When applying, do not overly massage your skin as it strains it. So do a Deirdre neck. Deirdre from Corrie. Just FYI. I probably won't use this, to be honest. But it smells nice, but I don't think I'm gonna... I don't like things being on my neck. I don't like moisturising my neck. I've always felt it makes me just feel itchy and horrible, so I'm probably not going to use that. That will go in a giveaway of some description, I think. And then finally, I think this is a blush, and I think I've already got this blush. It's a Pixie by Petra. I think this is full size. It's Beach Rose. Let's have a look. This natural blush will add a healthy glow to your complexion, and its warm tone colour. The Cult brand focuses on creating pure and botanical infused formulas that gives skin a radiant and natural fresh appearance. Lightly dust, but I am pretty sure I've got... I don't know where everything is since I've moved. I'm just being rubbish, but I'm like 99% sure that I've already got this. So again, I will be giving this away. I might just do these as like a little mini giveaway now, and then I'll probably chuck in a couple of face masks as well. So if you want these, then you just have to let me know. What can you let me know? Let me know what you want for Christmas. What is your, if money was no object, what do you want for Christmas? That's what I want to know. if money was no object for me for Christmas, I would have my kitchen done, because it is a little bit of a mess. Yeah, money was no object, I'd have my kitchen done. That would be mine. So yeah, if you want these, then just let me know what your present would be, and I will pick a winner in a week. We'll say a week, and I will pop it in the comments down below. But as a first box, I thought that was really good. I don't know why I got 7 things instead of 6, but I'm not going to moan about that, because it's better than a kick up your vag. So yeah, that was the box. I really like it. I'm excited to try the next one, and I'm pretty sure November's one is literally going to come next week, so there will be another Look Fantastic box within about a week or so. But yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. We can be friends. Yeah, there's lots going on, so boop the subscribe button somewhere, boop the bell. If you're feeling fancy pants, boop the bell, that would be nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.